Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Stern, Stern Chiropractic, helping you and your kids maximize your health, performance, and quality of life naturally. Well, this month I decided to switch it up a little bit. Every once in a while, I'll do a recipe for you guys to show you something that I like to make. Usually it's vegan, and usually it's pretty easy to make, and that's exactly what we've got today. Today I'm going to make an everything bagel butternut squash. It's actually a side dish or a snack. It comes out kind of like big fries that have a great everything bagel flavor. It's vegan, it's easy to do, and it's healthy. So let's get started. What do you need? Well, butternut squash. I have got a couple of organic butternut squashes here. You need a knife. You need a vegetable peeler, a cutting board, some everything bagel seasoning. This happens to come from Sam's, but I also get it from Trader Joe's, and you can pretty much find it anywhere. Some non-stick spray. This just happens to be what I like to use, Trader Joe's coconut oil spray, and some cooking oil. I use an organic avocado oil, and this is an oil mister. That way I can use less oil, and I like to do that instead of drenching stuff. And lastly, you need a nice sized baking tray covered in tin foil. And so, what do you need to do? Well, the first thing that you need to do is you need to cut the ends off the butternut squash and then peel it. Well, through the magic of video, I've got my butternut squash peeled and ready to cut. And yeah, I only showed you one. I have 4. This really is a great snack, so I like to make enough at one time so I have a little bit to last a couple of days. But now all we're going to do is we're going to slice these butternut squash in half, scoop out the seeds just like you would in a pumpkin, but it's a lot less than that. All right. Now I've got the squash all peeled, halved, and seeded. Just a little tip, I tried it this time. I used a melon baller to scoop out and clean out the seeds. Really worked very nicely. And one more thing, I've got to give credit where credit's due. It is my wife who found this recipe, and I kind of took it over because I really liked it. But now it's time to cut these squash into those 1/4-inch slices and get them on the pan. All right, so I've got the squash all cut up and on the trays. The trays have already been sprayed with the non-stick spray. Turned out to be a big batch. I usually don't make 4 of them at one time. So now it's time to use our cooking oil to spray the squash. Just that easy. The mister is great. And then all I do is shake on the everything bagel seasoning. I try to be generous. All right, so they've all been sprayed and seasoned, flipped over and sprayed and seasoned again. Now it's time to put them in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour at 375. All right, well, I am back and they are done. I think I made an error before. I think I said cook at 375. I usually cook at 350. You can do it at 375, but I cook at 350 for about an hour. At 375, it might be closer to 45 minutes. So again, here's the everything bagel butternut squash, cut into nice fry-sized pieces. Can be eaten as a side dish or just a snack. Again, it's vegan, it's healthy, it's low in calories, and it's easy to make. I hope you like this recipe, and be sure to go to the website, www.sternchiro.com, go to the newsletters, and you will find a bunch of recipes there for kombucha, ginger tea, kale chips, homemade Lira bars, and much more, along with 20 plus years of newsletters on health and wellness topics that'll benefit you and your family. Well, I hope you have a wonderful month. Peace.